Welcome back to Autoscope. A recreational vehicle RV built for adventure on all kinds of terrain is the 2026 Dodge 4x4 Motorhome. It blends the comfort and style of an RV with the durability and strength of a Dodge. The target market consists of travelers who like to experience new places without compromising their comforts. Important features: 4x4 capability. The vehicle can traverse a range of terrains, including rough roads, off-road trails, and difficult weather conditions because of its strong 4x4 drivetrain. For the best traction, it has a low-range transfer case and a locking differential. The vehicle can overcome obstacles and minor puddles due to its high ground clearance. Interior design: modern technologies integrated into a large, comfortable living area. Contemporary amenities including a comfy bed, a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom, and an entertainment system with the touch of a button. The living area may be significantly expanded, adding a significant amount of space within. A camera system makes parking and getting around easier. Modern technology: an infotainment system that is highly connected and has a huge touchscreen. There is a GPS navigation system installed to assist drivers in finding their destination. For peace of mind, there is an integrated security system with remote monitoring, a center for Starlink satellite internet and cellular communication, semi-autonomous driving mode, off-grid capability. A lithium battery bank and solar panels are optional for independent power. A huge water tank to sustain prolonged off-grid travel. All-terrain tires, improved underbody protection, and a higher suspension are all part of the optional off-road package. Storage: a number of outdoor storage spaces. Cargo area on the roof. The garage can be used to store bicycles and other equipment. Engine performance: sturdy engine for reliable operation under a range of circumstances. Large towing capacity. Security or remote monitoring integrated security system. 360-degree camera setup.